What is up, guys? Welcome back to Ashton's Amazing. Sorry, I just need to clear up my throat. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Ashton's Amazing Toys and Games. And today we're opening up the Hangrees again, and his name is Professor Dumps a Lot. Dumps mean you have to poop a lot. Yeah. And so let's open it, and it has some 6 foam cubes. So let's open it. And also, guys, I need to tell you something. MGA made this toy. They could have came up with a better name. I tried to look for them on a map, but I couldn't find them. And please do not make a Sonic one, MGA, okay? Do not make a Sonic character. And I don't know why you didn't make a Luigi one. Okay, guys, we opened it. Very rough. Now it has a little home, because we made a hole. So here's our checklist. I actually lost mine. And also, here's Overflow Ripper. Yeah, I actually lost this time, so he's out of the checklist. Okay, I see all of them. Guys, why don't they show us the other action figures, a 3-pack, right? And also, I'm not gonna do the YouTube channel with all the Hangrees. I'm just gonna have to wait for Christmas instead. So let's open this. Okay, here's our character, Professor Dumps a Lot. There's this little accident. And there's the inside. He actually looks like Steve. And why would they do Steve? Puppet Steve. Why? And also, guys, I remembered, so I want to show you something. About what kind of food you get. And also, the junk containers. And look, so you see this one? That's the one I got, and it made a mess, so you need to actually not do that. Just put it all in there. Noggins. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go get some scissors to open this. I mean, I don't want to, like, hurt the little foam ball. So I'm gonna go get some scissors. Okay, you guys, I got some scissors. So there it is. So I'm just gonna cut the piece of tape off, and there's still more tape. I just cut out the cardboard. Also be careful with these scissors. Still some tape on it. Okay. Move all the garbage. Move the checklist. Okay, so this is Food's Smelly Belly. This ain't not Gorman Jelly Bean. Here's that little sugar ball. Wonder what happens if you actually do it the wrong way. But somebody did actually do it inside here, and the slime actually came out. I hope this goes right for me. I'm keep on failing. Okay, so you have to cut those up with scissors. And I want to open this up first. You know, I'm just gonna open these up with scissors. Really? I want to open this up with hand. I just opened it and it like didn't even come out. Open it and make a big hole. Let's go in there and one fell. It might just be dust. Like dirt. Okay, now time to open up the slime packet. We don't want to like spill it all over the place. Well, that worked out really fine. Okay. Some cinnamon bell got on me. Okay, next we need to, shake. Well, that made a mess. Was even tightly closed. Okay, how about I close this back? Because I have to fill this up with water. This time I'm going to use the sink. Made a big mess, you guys. I need to get some wipes. I need to get some wipes for every Hangrees. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna wipe this off. So like that now. Put the tongue like this and pour in the water first. I'm checking if it's not spilling. I'm pouring the same water. Then now we shake. It's spilling. Okay, that should be enough to shake. I'll wash my hands. Okay, now we need to make it go. Now, so guys, make sure to clean your Hangrees and the inside. I gotta put this back together. Okay, we did it. Now we need to make him poop. First, lift this leg up and then have to make him. No, it's stuck. Why do they make it so hard to open it? Guys, it's coming out so slowly. I mean, I can't even see it. What happened? Something's like blocking it. Oh, it's coming out. Guys, I will like come back and we'll check on it for like 10 minutes and I might like come out. Like, I don't know. So I'll check on it in 10 minutes. So yeah. So bye guys. We'll come back and check on it. I almost said like the YouTube channel is like over already. Okay guys, so let's check on the song. It's very cool. Let me dry my hands cause like wash the dishes. So I gave it some more time, so cause I ate breakfast. The inside is kind of like not done. How is this side only done? Get in there. Some of the foam balls, I think they're blocked. But the foam balls are actually on top. This thing can't get out quickly. I shook it up too good. Okay, let me close this back. And I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes. So close this and give it a 10 minutes inside the head. So I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes again. So thank you guys for 200 subscribers so quick. Thank you so much. Okay, let's check on this one. These don't get mixed up very well. I throwed out the garbage. How is this so cool? Look, see? How is this one better? Please call help. The slime is stuck. You can hear my parents talking. Well, my grandma just came. Come on, come on. Yes, yes. I literally give it like... I literally gave it 3 minutes again. I mean 10 minutes again. Okay guys, we're gonna wait for 10 minutes again. Okay guys, so slime is all ready. Let's feel it. Oh, it is ready, finally. It's like I waited 2 months for this. And finally I did it right. I can't believe this. It did go true. So, still sticky. And it's still good, though. I'm gonna put it back in here. Still sticky. That's fine. Just wipe my hands. Actually, just wipe this dirty. So, you don't have to do that. I finally get to do it so right. There's a little slime powder on the floor. Let me fix that. So guys, I will keep this because you can pretend if it didn't, and it can poop. So I'm gonna keep this fruity thing and wash out the slime powder. Bye guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ashton's Amazing Toys and Games. Bye, and thank you so much for 218 subscribers!